It's really great to be here to talk about tax. Unfortunately, you are going to suffer the 30 minutes of listening to tax. After all of the, I was looking at the agenda, all of the talk around, as professional, taking your place and launching out and being strategic, and now the MC, started the intro and said, from next year you're going to be paying tax. I'm like, what kind of a setup is this?
Discussions at the NIESV event focused on Nigeria's new consolidated tax laws. These reforms fundamentally redesign the system, aiming to align tax liability strictly with economic gain across the board. The new laws converge tax rates on all profits, and a key change is making every incurred VAT liable for deduction. Critically, there are new legal limits on interest deductibility for income-generating businesses, directly influencing investment decisions. Experts stressed that failure to integrate these complex tax layers, especially the interest limits in transactional taxes like revised stamp duty, will inevitably lead to the sub-optimization of asset valuation. Personal tax structures for professionals are also impacted. While the federal framework is established, continuous advocacy remains necessary to harmonize the changes across subnational governments, confirming that complex reform is a work in progress.
The tax reform touches every sector and every areas of business, and as professionals within this field of exit survey and valuation, it's important to understand how this reform touches the business that they run as a firm, because firms pay individual taxes, the partners and the owners of the business and the employees pay individual taxes. Their enterprise, their firm is also liable to taxes. So everyone needs to understand what is the threshold, that will make my business to be liable to tax, what exemption is available, and what do I need to do in order to ensure that I comply with the provisions of the law. So what we've come to discuss essentially is really to share knowledge and to let professionals within this space understand what is going to be the tax regime that they will be exposed to from 1st of January 2026. And I think it's been a very interesting conversation.
Yeah, one of the ways to really strengthen the Nigerian real estate sector is by even, first of all, develop the capacity and the knowledge. We all know the reforms is something that is new to quite a number of us. So we need to, first of all, train our members in making sure that they get knowledge. They develop the capacity, they develop the expectations of our clients. Because yes, come January, a lot of our clients are going to be asking various questions on how this tax is going to affect their real estate investments, how it's going to affect their income. So what we're trying to basically do today is to be able to build the capacity of our members, strengthen them, and at the end of the day, the nation is definitely going to be better for it.
As professionals seek to navigate these emerging legal and financial reforms, estate surveyors and valuers in Nigeria are being called upon to adopt a more holistic approach, one that balances taxation, investment strategies, and regulatory compliances. This event underscores the importance of continuous learning and adaptation in the valuable profession. From Voice of the People TV, I am Praise Peters.